An age of industry, empire, morality, and literary brilliance. An age where England transformed into the most powerful nation in the world, while literature exposed the darkest truth of society and the deepest emotions of human soul. Welcome to the Victorian Age, one of the most important periods of English literature. In the next 15 minutes, we will revise everything you need for UGC Net English, important features, major poets, novelists, dramatics, literary movements, and the most important concepts of Victorian age. So take a deep breath and step into the Victorian England. First of all, we'll understand the time period and the background. The Victorian age lasted from 1837 to 1901 during the reign of Queen Victoria. ये period Queen Victoria के नाम पर जाना जाता है. It was an age of enormous change. Industrial revolution, railways, factories, British Empire expansion. Science challenged religion, machines changed society, and literature became a mirror of reality. Important influence जो था, that was of Charles Darwin, theory of evolution. Darwin's idea shook traditional beliefs and created doubt, anxiety, and moral conflict. साइंस और रिलीजन के बीच conflict विक्टोरियन लिटरेचर का important theme बन गया. Now we will talk about the main features of Victorian age. The first feature was realism. Victorian writers focused on real life. There was no fantasy, no romantic idealism. The themes were poverty, industrialization, social injustice, class struggle. Victorian literature society की real problems को दिखाती है. The second feature was Victorian society was deeply moral and conservative. Literature often taught discipline, duty, honesty. Many novels carried moral values. So morality was the theme, one of the themes of Victorian age. The third feature was science versus religion. Scientific discoveries created doubt and uncertainty. Writers explored faith, skepticism, existential crisis. So this was also the feature of Victorian age. The fourth feature was growth of novels. The Victorian age is called the golden age of English novel. And why? Because novels became popular, realistic, and socially relevant. The fifth feature of Victorian age was Victorian writers, they believed in social criticism. So social criticism was one of the features of Victorian age. Victorian writers exposed social evils like child labor, poverty, exploitations. Literature became a tool for social reforms. Now we will talk about the famous names of Victorian age. The first one, that is the Alfred Tennyson, the voice of Victorian England. Alfred Lord Tennyson. He was also called as the Poet Laureate of England. His important works are In Memoriam, Ulysses, The Charge of Light Brigade. The theme of his poetry is faith, doubt, loss, heroism. The famous line is to strive, to seek, to find, and not to yield. Tennyson Victorian uncertainty और hope दोनों को express करते हैं. I hope this is clear to everyone. The next famous poet of Victorian age is Robert Browning. Master of dramatic monologues, Robert Browning, he was the master. Important works are My Last Duchess, Andrea del Sarto. Important concept was dramatic monologue. So what is dramatic monologue? A single speaker reveals his personality through speech. Speaker unknowingly अपने character को reveal करता है. The next famous name is Matthew Arnold, the poet of spiritual crisis. He was Matthew Arnold. His important works are Dover Beach, and the theme was loss of faith, uncertainty, loneliness. The famous image is the Sea of Faith. Victorian age की spiritual anxiety Arnold की poetry में clearly दिखती है. Next is one of the famous novelists of Victorian age. He is none other than Charles Dickens, the greatest Victorian novelist Charles Dickens. His important works are Oliver Twist, David Copperfield, Hard Times, and Great Expectations. The important themes of his novels are poverty, child exploitation, industrial society. Dickens exposed the dark side of Victorian England. उन्होंने पुअर चिल्ड्रन और लोअर क्लास के सफरिंग को हाईलाइट किया. The next important name of Victorian age is Thomas Hardy, the novelist of fate and pessimism. His important works are Jude and Obscure. The theme of his work is fate, tragedy, social oppression. Hardy believed human beings are often controlled by destiny. Next we have the Bronte sisters. Three sisters, three literary legends. Charlotte Bronte, Emily Bronte and Anne Bronte. Their famous work are Charlie Bronte, Jane Eyre, Emily Bronte, Wuthering Heights, and Anne Bronte, The Tenant of Wildfell Hall. The themes of their literary work are passion, individuality, female struggle, women's emotions और independence को powerful way में present किया गया. Next we have Oscar Wilde and aestheticism. Art for art's sake. Oscar Wilde. Important works. The Picture of Dorian Gray. The Importance of Being Earnest. Aesthetic movement was the art should exist for beauty alone. Art का purpose moral teaching नहीं, beauty है. So students, next we'll discuss about the important terms for UGC NET. The first term is dramatic monologue. Dramatic monologue is associated with Browning. Next is pre-Raphaelite movement. This movement is associated with Dante Gabriel Rossetti. Next term is aestheticism. This term is associated with Oscar Wilde. The next is realism. It has been associated with Victorian fiction. Next is Sea of Faith. It has been associated with Matthew Arnold. Now, dear students, we'll talk about the important MCQs. The first question is, who wrote Ulysses? The answer is Tennyson. The next question is, who is known for dramatic monologue? And we have already discussed. The answer is Browning. The third question is, who wrote Dover Beach? And Dover Beach was written by Matthew Arnold. Next question, which age is called the golden age of novel? And it is Victorian age. Art for art's sake is associated with whom? And the correct answer is Oscar Wilde. Who wrote Hard Times? Hard Times was written by Charles Dickens. So dear students, I hope you all have understood. Now we'll do quick revision and I want everyone to take screenshot of it. So first we have realism. So the first feature of Victorian age is realism. It has been associated with Dickens. Dramatic monologue is associated with Browning. Spiritual crisis is associated with Arnold. Aestheticism is associated with Wilde. Pessimism is associated with Hardy. Last but not the least, female identity is associated with Bronte sisters. The Victorian age was an age of contradiction. So dear students, at that time, progress and poverty, science and faith, morality and hypocrisy, and Victorian literature captured all of it. From Dickens' realism to Tennyson doubt to Wilde's beauty, the Victorian age remains one of the richest periods of English literature. So if this rapid revision helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more UGC NET English content. And tell me in the comments which literary age should we revise next.